What's going on, guys? I'm Aaron Baker here at Awake Window and Door Company. Today we're going to be going over our Series 555 pivot door. Want to kind of highlight some of the adjustability and features of our pivot door. Really cool locking mechanisms that you're not going to see anywhere else. Help to make your life easier out in the field, and for your end client, the homeowner, that much more comfortable in their finished home. First, I want to show you guys how to adjust our magnetic locks. Say homeowner doesn't want to necessarily throw the thumb turn or put their key in the door and lock it, but they just want to leave it unlocked, but they don't want it to, kind of bounce or move when the wind picks up, let's say. We utilize a magnet system in our pivot door that has some adjustability to prevent that door, that leaf, from chattering potentially in the opening. We're going to take a 3mm Allen key, remove the cover here, and then we are going to bring those magnets out or towards the locking jamb to increase that grip strength. Say we want to weaken that, then we are going to do the opposite. We are going to tighten those screws down to bring those magnets deeper into that vertical style, weakening the grip of the magnets. Say you are not happy with the speed or latching speed of your pivot door. I will go ahead and show you guys how to adjust our pivot door, working left to right from the pivot point up in the head. Our COC is mounted in the head of our system. At first, you will see a void with a flathead screw in that void. We are going to rotate it clockwise, tightening that screw to slow down the closing force. If we want to speed it up, we are going to rotate that counterclockwise, backing that screw out. Want to make it a point, be extremely careful how far you back that screw out. If you back it too far, you will lose all of the hydraulic fluid in your concealed closer, and then you'll be calling me to order a new one. Moving over to the next flathead screw up in the head is going to be your latching speed. Again, rotating clockwise to slow the latching speed down, counterclockwise to increase that latching speed. If you guys have any questions on how to do these adjustments, or simple installation questions that you may be faced with out in the field, feel free to reach out to me at service@awakewdc.com. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the videos. Thank you for watching.